Hey guys, what's up? I just bought a rice cooker because, as you know, we are trying to get out of debt and we have budgeted everything out per Dave Ramsey's plan. And one of his things that he really encourages is to cut down on your grocery bill, and that's something that's more my responsibility than Jace's, since I stay home and take care of the kids. So I have been trying to stretch every dime we have, and I recently went to Aldi's. If you have an Aldi near you, I highly recommend you go if you're on a grocery budget, a tight budget. And I also say Aldi's with an S on the end. I don't know why. I've always said it that way, so just to let you know. So tonight is our frugal meal number 4. I did vlog the first one, and I did not do the other 2. But I wanted to do this one for you guys. So basically, we got our rice cooker, as you can see. And it is just a simple Black+Decker rice cooker. Let me do it this way. There we go. Can you see that? Just a simple Black+Decker rice cooker that I got off Amazon. It came in the mail today. I bought a bag of rice from Aldi's for $1.29 for 3 pounds, and that will last us at least all week, if not longer. And so I've got the rice cooking, and for my dish, what I have in here, this is half of a zucchini, 1 bell pepper. I have some garlic and onion, and of course some extra virgin olive oil. And you can put anything. You can do squash, different colored bell peppers. You can put tons of things in here so that it's more like the Chinese takeout that we're used to. You can do carrots, you can do squash, you can do, I don't know if I would do cucumbers, but any kind of, really good sustainable vegetable. And so we're going to do rice, and then I'll put that on top. And I also have, if you guys have ever been to the Japanese like hibachi restaurants, you know about the yum yum sauce. That's very delicious. We found like a yum yum sauce from Food Lion, actually. Here it is. It's called Rising Sun, and I did get it at Food Lion, so it's probably available everywhere. And so yeah, I'm gonna assemble my bowl, and Chase is gonna have a bowl of, he just likes plain rice. So I'll let you know what it looks like.